This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's July 20th, 2018. From here I gotta go change a washing machine valve. A couple of guy says washing machine valves downstairs aren't shutting off. So and the pipes are all loose down there. So I'm on my way there now and see what I can do for the guy. Alright guys, he wants these changed, these two kind of flopping in the wind here. We could fasten that there. Put a couple of hangers up top there. I got the water off over here. Get it off here. Alright, so the water's off. Mickey Mouse clips there. A couple of Mickey Mouse clips. So I'm going to use right here. Be fine. Teflon pipe dope on there, a little bit. When in doubt, change it out. Put a couple of hangers up top too, we'll see. That's 3/4. These are boiler drains. Had them in the truck, so. Ain't no Taj Mahal here, Mom. Taj Mahal, just a rental, so I won't be too fancy yet. As long as it works, so like here. It's not too bad, I guess. I'll put a couple of hangers up top there, I guess, if I had to. That thing's kind of going cattywampus here. It's kind of going cattywampus. Alright guys, I put a hanger up there. I didn't have any short ones, so I had to use longer ones, but I put a couple of hangers up there. And I got a couple of hangers here. Mickey Mouse, so it's pretty secure. I'll just turn the water on, check for leaks. That's the old ones that he wanted changed. Ain't no Taj Mahal here. It's a rental. Make sure there's no dripping on the. It looks like this is a copper main coming in. Make sure I got no leaks. Alright, that's it. Good enough for this neighborhood. Pick up my tools and get out of here. Look at that fancy rig. So he don't really need to shut these off because he's got the no burst hoses, but he can if he wants, so I'll leave them on for now.